Welcome. We'll get started here in a moment. Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us for the Project 33, Shaping Naval Power for the Indo-Pacific Fight. Today, we'll explore how the Navy is driving maritime dominance through unmanned systems, AI, and joint force integration. As the Navy accelerates modernization, tech partners have a key opportunity to align with the evolving properties or priorities and deliver mission-critical solutions. If you work in AI, ML, autonomy, cyber, cloud, this is your chance to plug into one of DoD's most critical initiatives. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from Marshall, our manager with the FAST program, who's an expert in the field. Without further ado, Marshall, take it away.
Thank you, Felicia, for the introduction, and welcome to Navy Project 33. Again, my name is Marshall Dedegbe. I am a manager on the Federal Agency Specialist team. And today I will be diving into this Naval Big Initiative that is reshaping how the Navy operates in an increasingly digital and data-driven battle space. We will explore what Project 33 is, the key components, the role of IT, and how you as an industry partner can contribute to this ongoing initiative. So let's just dive right in. So what is Project 33? Project 33 is part of the Navy's plan outlined in the 2024 Navigation Plan. This is to enhance the readiness and warfighting capabilities by 2027, particularly focusing on readiness for a potential conflict in the Indo-Pac region. This is part of Project Overmatch, which is the Navy initiative that aims to develop a network-centric operational architecture, connecting sensors, shooters, and commanders across multiple domains to enhance information sharing and decision making. It is a key component of the Navy's contribution to the Pentagon's broad effort, combined joint all-domain command and control, which seeks to unify networks and capabilities across all branches of the military. The key components here include scaling robotics and autonomous systems, addressing maintenance backlogs, improving flexible training, and bolstering recruitment and retention efforts. The project focus is to utilize advanced technology and optimize existing resources. It is estimated to cost 40 plus billion annually. So there are a lot of opportunities here for IT vendors and contractors to get your slice of the pie. So let's just dive into the components. So for each component during this presentation, I will speak to the main pillars. I will let you know what they are and how you can support them with your technology. So the first component is robotic and autonomous system. The benefits for this is increased safety. So unmanned system, they reduce the risk to human sailors by taking on more dangerous missions. They are cost efficient. So the system are generally less expensive to build and maintain compared to traditional vessels. And they do enhance capabilities. So robotic system can perform a variety of tasks from reconnaissance to operation, and this increases the Navy versatility. So the opportunities here for industry are tremendous, right? So sensors, 5G, cloud infrastructure, AI-driven tools, data analytics, data storage, cybersecurity are all needed here to support this unmanned vessel formation success. So you don't have to be a robot manufacturer to benefit from this for this project. The Navy is actually right now conducting extensive testing and experimentation to integrate this system into existing fleet. And Task Force 59 is dedicated to accelerate the deployment of unmanned platforms and ensure the seamless integration. I want to say that for those of you on this webinar with emerging technologies, there's also a play for you. So you can partner with DARPA as an example to quickly have your tech review in real time. So while you are waiting to go through all the certifications that are needed to do business with the DoD, you can partner with DARPA, and they can help you accelerate the review process. So I was at an event a few weeks ago, and DARPA actually shared how they were able to facilitate a demo for emerging tech with NAVSEA on a problem that we're having on board some of the vessels. So there's something here for everybody. Moving on to the next component, maintenance and readiness. So on the first pillar here, the Navy uses real-time um, sensor data and advanced analytics to anticipate equipment failures before they occur. So this enables proactive repairs and reduce unplanned downtime. So this data-driven approach enhances operational readiness by optimizing maintenance schedule and extending the life of critical systems. The next pillar, digital twins and simulation. These are virtual replicas of ships or systems that simulate real-world performance, enabling engineers to test maintenance strategies and predict issues without physical intervention. These simulation improve decision making, they reduce risk, and they enhance lifecycle management of naval assets. Moving on to the next pillar, this leverages cloud-based systems and real-time data to track parts, tools, material across the fleet. This ensures timely and efficient maintenance report. It also enhances the readiness by minimizing delays and optimizing resources allocation. As anything else these days, cybersecurity is critical. So um, this system focus on protecting digital maintenance, logistics, and operational system from cyber threat through things like zero trust framework and continuous monitoring. So this ensures that digital capability remain reliable and mission ready in a contested environment. Uh, Shipyard modernization is part of this, and it is a $21 billion program to improve capacity and efficiency. So the takeaway here on this slide is that if you are uh, an AI-driven decision support system provider, if you provide simulation applications, real-time data tracker system, along with zero trust and architecture framework, all these things, all these stacks, 5G, all these are, needed to help support all these pillars for this component. Let's move on to the next slide here. Command and control. So for command and control, the first pillar, this system integrate information from sensors, satellite, and platform to create a live share operational picture. Um, this enables commanders to make faster and more informed decisions and maintain a strategic advantage in dynamic environment. The next pillar, these really ensures that encrypted voice, video, and data can be reliably shared across ships, aircrafts, and allied forces. These systems enable seamless coordination in joint operations while maintaining resistance against cyber threat and electronic warfare. Decision making and automations. So this system leverage artificial intelligence and data analytics to assist commanders in evaluating scenarios and selecting optimal courses of action. So these tools streamlines complex decision-making process and enhance operational speed and accuracy. Especially, if you have a high tempo environment, you can see how these come to play. As always, cybersecurity is a key component of this. And these are done through, again, as I said before, zero trust architecture, continuous monitoring, and a robust cyber defense framework, right? So this measure ensures that command and control capabilities remain operational and secure under cyber attack or in a contested environment. So here, if you are a provider of real-time command and control applications, AI-driven decision-making systems, if you provide cybersecurity, you should take note here that you have a play here to help the Navy in their command and control work here. So the next pillar is recruitment and training. I'm sorry, the next component, actually, I should say. So the first pillar on this one is uh, modernizing recruitment. So the Navy, they are leveraging digital tools like targeted social media campaigns, virtual career fairs, and AI-powered chatbot to engage with tech-savvy candidate. So at the same event that I was at, there was a commander there for the Navy. He shared with us that, the average age of a sailor is 26 years old. And think about that and think about, when the first iPhone was created. So um, these sailors, they're all digital and they like to do things digitally. So when you are designing your systems, you should keep that in mind. So let's move on to the next pillar. So these are done through online portals, and these allows applicants to submit documents, schedule tasks, and track their progress in real time. So, so these integrated system, they usually reduce paperwork and delays, and they create a faster and more transparent experience for both recruits and recruiters. Um, on the next pillar, they're usually done through virtual and augmented reality. So these allow simulation of real world scenarios for safer and more immersive learning experience. So here, AI-driven adaptive learning platforms, mobile platforms, and personalized training allows the sailor to learn anywhere, anytime at their own pace. Um, the next one is the data-driven performance and career development. So here, the Navy uses data-driven systems to track training programs, their progress, certifications, and performance across the sailor's career. So this enables the Navy to personalize development plans and targeted upskilling. So here, analytics can help identify also leadership potential and skill gaps, right? So um, this supports smarter talent management and long-term career growth for the Navy. So here, if you are an AI-driven LMS system provider, if you provide VR, AR devices, IoT devices, mobile apps, data analytics, obviously cloud platform storage, you should take note here that you do have a play in the recruitment and training um, as a component here for Project 33. And moving on to the next component, infrastructure and support. So on this one, the first pillar, the Navy uses integrated sensors, automation, and data analytics to monitor and manage energy, security, and maintenance system real time. So these technologies enhance operation efficiency. They reduce costs and ensure that installation is always ready to support mission demands. On the next pillar, they use real-time data, cloud platforms, and AI to track and optimize the movement of parts, equipment, and supplies worldwide. So these ensure timely delivery, they reduce risk, and obviously enhance operational readiness across the fleet. Again, you have to maintain, a cybersecurity framework. And as I said in previous slide, these are done through zero trust architecture, continuous monitoring, and hardened system to provide critical facilities and network from, to protect, I should say, critical facilities and network from cyber threat. Um, This measure ensures that essential operations like power, communication, and security that do remain functional, even during cyber attacks. And you're gonna move to the next pillar here. So on the IT support services and help desk modernization, um, these are done through AI powered chatbots, self-service portals, and remote troubleshooting tools. And these are used to improve efficiency and user experiences, right? So these upgrades reduce wait time, they streamline, issue resolution, and this allows, the IT guys actually to focus on more complex technical challenges. And the last pillar on this one is the data center and migration, cloud migration. So the Navy, it's consolidating legacy data centers and migrating to secure, scalable cloud environment. So this will allow them to enhance agility, reduce physical infrastructure, and support global operations. So the shift improves data accessibility. It does strengthen disaster recovery and enables real-time collaboration across command. So for you as an industry here on this webinar, there's everything for everyone here. So providing raw material to advanced data analytics, AI, real-time command and control applications, IoT devices, sensors, 5G, cloud platforms, zero architecture, you have a play here. So it is critical that, you do take a note on this and engage with the Navy regarding Project 33. So with anything there are challenges, and Project 33 is no exception, right? So, um, the project faces several IT related challenges, and it's impacting stability to modernize and maintain operational readiness. So these include aging infrastructure and limiting integration with modern technology, um, growing cybersecurity threats to critical system, fragmented data environment, all those things do hinder real-time decision making. So, and also you do have a shortage of skilled IT and cyber personnel. So, um, in addition, the complexity of integrating emerging technology like AI, cloud computing, and unmanned system with legacy platform, along with limited connectivity in remote contested environment further complicates operation. So what is the Navy doing to address these issues? So the Navy is implementing a range of mitigation strategies, right? So these include modernizing infrastructure with smart technology, adopting zero trust cybersecurity frameworks, and migrating to scalable cloud platforms to enhance data access and resilience. The Navy is also leveraging AI and automation to improve logistics and decision making. They're also investing, as we covered during the recruitment session. Um, they're investing in their people, so they want to be able to attract and retain tech talent, and that will help them ensure interoperability across system, and that helps also to support their operations. So together, this effort aims to build a more agile, secure, and future-ready naval force. So to summarize, Project 33, readiness is a key part of it, right? So uh, Project 33 aims to significantly improve Navy readiness by 2027, particularly in preparing for any conflict in the Indo-Pac region. And these are done through reducing maintenance backlog and enhancing surge capability. Cyber readiness is now part of readiness, period. So, um, technology integration. A major emphasis is actually placed on scaling robotic and autonomous system across the fleet. This will allow to expand operational reach and reduce reliance on traditional platforms. So here, uh, think that the future of warfare is unmanned. So talent and training. Then the initiative prioritize on recruiting, and retaining skilled personnel, and while modernizing training to build tactical proficiency in rapidly evolving threat environment. And then we have infrastructure and command. So Project 33 includes restoring critical infrastructure and establishing distributed command centers to supply resilience. And this enables to have a forward deploy force to serve all the operations. So that is Project 33 in jest. And the call to action here for you is to engage with us. We want to partner with you on opportunities, and we want to help you pilot your innovations right and present it to the Navy. And so we want to shape the future of defense technology with you. So if you want more information regarding Project 33 and how you can benefit from it, please just, reach out to us at fastinfo@dlt.com. So that is it for me. Again, my name is Marshall Tadegbe. I am a manager on the FAST team here at TD Senex Public Sector. I do hope that, this discussion was valuable to you and you did gain some insight into Project 33. Our next webinar will be in 2 weeks, and then we hope to see you there. And that will be all for me. So, Felicia, you can take it away.
Thank you, Marshall, for sharing your expertise and for all of you and your time and commitment today. Again, if you have any questions or would like to continue the conversation, please feel free to reach out to the FAST team at fastinfo@dlt.com. We do hope you found this discussion valuable. Please send us an email if you have any suggestions for others, and we do hope to see you in a couple weeks. Have a great day.